Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Talking. My name is Alex. This is our podcast for A1 and A2 English learners. Last time, we talked about my day at the office. We talked about my computer, my emails, and my meetings. But what happens when I am hungry? Today's topic is my lunch break. At 12:30 p.m., 12:30, I stop working. I look at the clock. It is lunchtime. My stomach feels empty. I am hungry. 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 I want to eat food. Now, I have a big decision. A decision is a choice. What is my decision? Option 1. Do I eat the food I bring from home? Option 2. Do I buy food at the office? Let's talk about these two options. Some days, maybe Monday and Wednesday, I bring my lunchbox. A lunchbox is a small box for my food. My cat, Misty, always looks at my lunchbox in the morning. She is curious. What is in my lunchbox? Usually a sandwich. Sandwich. I make it at home. It has cheese, tomato, and lettuce. It is very simple. I also bring a fruit, maybe an apple or a banana. Eating food from home is nice. It is cheap. 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 It means not expensive. It saves money. And it is healthy. HEALTHY. Good for my body. But some days I am lazy. I don't make a sandwich. And sometimes I want hot food. Today is one of those days. Today I will buy my lunch. I go to the cafeteria. 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 The cafeteria is in my office building. It is on the first floor. It is a very big room with many tables and many food choices. I like the cafeteria. I can choose different things every day. What food do they have? They always have hot soup. SOUP. Today is tomato soup, my favorite. They have a big salad bar, many fresh vegetables. And they have hot meals like chicken, fish, or pasta. Today, I think I want the hot soup and a small salad. Yes, that sounds good. My lunch break is 1 hour long, from 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. I take my food, the soup and the salad, and I find a table. I see my colleague Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Can I sit here? She says, yes, of course. So, what do I do on my break? First, I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. The soup is hot and delicious. While I eat, I talk with Sarah. We do not talk about work. No emails, no meetings. We talk about our weekend. We talk about a new movie. We talk about cats. Sarah has a dog. Sometimes, if I eat alone, I read a book. Or, sometimes, if the weather is nice, I eat quickly and I go for a short walk. WALK, walk. I walk outside the building for 10 minutes. I get fresh air. This helps my brain feel fresh for the afternoon. Today, I just talk with Sarah. It is nice to relax. I look at my watch. It is 1:25 p.m. Oh, time to go back to work. I take my empty tray. I say, see you later, Sarah. I go back to the elevator. I go back to the fifth floor, back to my desk. My lunch break is finished. I am not hungry anymore. I feel ready for the afternoon. So, that is my lunch break. Sometimes a sandwich, sometimes soup, sometimes I read, sometimes I walk. My lunch break is my time to relax. RELAX. What about you? What do you usually eat for lunch? Thank you for listening to Daily Talking. You did a great job. My name is Alex. See you next time. Goodbye.